Is your WordPress site lost in the sea of generic browser tabs? Today, we're transforming your website's identity by adding a custom favicon, that tiny icon that packs a massive branding punch. First things first, let's create your favicon. A favicon is typically a small, square image. Often your logo or a simplified version of it. Aim for dimensions of 512 by 512 pixels. You can use design tools like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or even free online favicon generators to create or resize your image. Once you have your perfect favicon image, it's time to upload it. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance in the left-hand menu. From the Appearance menu, click on Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer. Look for the Site Identity section and click on it. Within Site Identity, you'll see an option labeled Site Icon. Click on the Select Site Icon button. This will open your WordPress media library. You can either select an icon you've already uploaded or click on the Upload Files tab to upload your favicon image directly from your computer. After selecting your image, WordPress will prompt you to crop it. Usually, the default crop will be perfect, but adjust it if necessary and click Crop Image. You'll now see your custom favicon displayed in the site icon area. Don't forget to click the Publish button at the top of the customizer to save your changes. And that's it. Your fantastic favicon is now live. Refresh your website, and you'll see your favicon proudly displayed in browser tabs, bookmarks, and even on mobile devices, solidifying your brand's presence like never before.